Hey everyone, struggling to organize your ideas, research, and content all in one place? We've all been there. Dozens of open tabs, scattered notes, and the dreaded blank page staring back at you. But what if you could brainstorm, research, and draft content without the chaos? Enter ContextMinds, the AI-powered whiteboard that helps you map out your ideas and turn them into fully fleshed out content faster than ever. ContextMinds isn't just another AI writing tool. It's a game changer for content creators, bloggers, and marketers who need a smarter way to plan and generate content. With an intuitive whiteboard interface, you can visually organize topics, research keywords, and even generate AI-powered drafts based on your map. No more jumping between tools. Everything you need is in one place. First, let's talk about brainstorming. As you add topics to your whiteboard, ContextMinds suggests related keywords, research sources, and even trending search queries. That means you're not just brainstorming, you're getting real-time SEO insights. Need research? Just type in a keyword, and ContextMinds pulls up scientific papers, Wikipedia entries, and high-ranking articles to support your content. And here's the best part. Once your research is mapped out, you can generate an entire draft with AI in seconds. No more struggling with prompts. Your map is the prompt, making the AI-generated content more relevant and structured from the start. Whether you're outlining a blog post, planning a video script, or mapping out a website structure, ContextMinds helps you turn ideas into content fast. So, if you're tired of juggling research, notes, and content drafts across multiple tools, it's time to work smarter with ContextMinds. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to effortless content creation. Get lifetime access today and start creating content like a pro. Click the link in the description to check it out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more game-changing productivity tools.